Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So we have a very interesting question for you in this particular video. So the questions that we'll be dealing with is a mensuration, and we have seen a similar sort of question being asked across multiple entrance examination, be it in your the quants or the math section of the GRE or GMAT or any other B school examination, be it your centralized or your private B schools examinations as well. So this mensuration kind of question has been asked numerous times, and we'll take a look at the ideal approach involved towards solving the same as well. Okay, so having said that, let us just focus on the question in front of us. An wooden box open at the top of thickness 50.5 centimeter minus length 21 centimeter and width 11 centimeter, height 6 centimeters, painted on the sides. Okay, the expenses of painting are rupees 70. What is the rate of painting per square centimeter? So let me draw the diagram, that way we can get a clear idea in regards to that. So see, this will be our box. Okay, okay, so this is a box or cuboid. Okay, now what has been said, that the length here is 21, breadth is given as 11, and height is 6. Okay, now what is given, the thickness is of 0.5 centimeter. Okay, the thickness is 0.5 centimeter. So let me do one thing. So we have another box that has been made inside. Okay, okay, so this is my original container area, and this thickness. Okay, so this is what my figure is like, and now let me just highlight all the parts. So this entire thing will be the thickness in this regards. Okay, okay, so I hope it is clear. Now this is my figure, and it is given that the thickness in this regards will be, the thickness is 0.5. Okay, so this is 0.5, this 0.5, this 0.5, and this 0.5. Okay, the thickness is given 0.5. Now notice something, the thickness is only affecting the length and the breadth. Okay, thickness isn't essentially affecting the height, so the height will remain unaffected in this regards by the thickness, but length and breadth will actually get reduced. So therefore the reduced length would be 25, 20 on minus 0.5 from this end and 0.5 from the other end. So this will be reduced length will be 20, and reduced breadth would again be, okay, so 9. and the breadth would essentially be 11 minus 0.5 into 0.5, that is 10. Okay, so this is my entire thing. So now let us try and solve this question. Okay, so it's given that wooden box open at the top. Okay, so now we need to paint on the inside. So now we know the total surface area of a cuboid is given by 2 length into breadth plus 2 length into height plus 2 sorry plus breadth into height. Okay, so this can be written as length is here 20 and breadth is 10 plus length in this regards would be 20 and breadth is 10. Height is 6, height remains same, and breadth is 10 and height is 6. Okay, now this includes the top part as well. Okay, but top is removed off, so we will have to remove 20 into 10 also. Okay, in this regards, so we have to remove this particular area, this top area. Let me just highlight the same as well. So we need to remove this particular space as well. Okay, this top we have to remove this because in the total surface area we are considering a closed cuboid. Okay, but we have to remove this purple part. So now if I have to solve the same, 200 plus 120 plus 60 minus 200, 320, 380 minus 200, or this would come out to be 6 760. Okay, minus 200 or 560 centimeters square. Okay, so this much square centimeter is been given. Okay, now it is said that the expense of painting are rupees 70. So therefore, to paint 560 centimeters square, it costs 70. Now we need to find a painting rate per centimeter square. So rate would be given by, therefore, to paint 1 centimeter square, it would cost 70 by 560 or 1 by 8, that would be 0.125 or 0.1 rupees. Okay, I'm taking the approx. So option C will be our correct answer. So I hope this question is clear to you. It's a very interesting question. So I've taken a lot of time trying to explain the entire diagram and everything to you. You shouldn't necessarily take that much time, so it will come in easy. And also I hope the question and the approach we have taken to the solution of the same is also clear to you. So in case you have any doubt with regards to how we solve, kindly go through the video and try to solve this question on your own. Okay. Now, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description and find multiple details. You can find multiple details pertaining to getting in touch with us. So feel free to connect with us and we'll be helping you with everything that you need. Okay. Now, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.